Hey everyone, I'm back with another DIY guide that's perfect for all you solar power enthusiasts out there. Today, we're diving into simple solar projects that you can start right now from the comfort of your own home. So, grab your tools and let's harness the power of the sun. First up, let's talk about a solar phone charger. It's a handy gadget that's not only eco-friendly but also super easy to make. You'll need a few solar panels, small ones, a charging circuit, and a battery. Start by connecting your panels to the circuit, then attach the battery. Voila, you've got your very own portable charger. Imagine charging your phone just by using the sun's energy. Next, why not light up your nights with some solar-powered lights? These are perfect for your garden or balcony. You'll need some LED lights, solar panels, and batteries. Connect the LEDs to the batteries powered by your solar panels, and you're good to go. It's that simple, and it adds such a wonderful ambience to your outdoor spaces. Feeling a bit more adventurous? Let's scale it up with a small solar panel setup. This can power small appliances or a workshop shed. You'll need several larger panels, a charge controller, batteries, and an inverter. The setup is straightforward. Connect the panels to the controller, then to the batteries, and finally, connect everything to the inverter. Now, you're not just saving money, you're stepping into the future of energy. Remember, safety first. Always wear protective gloves and goggles when handling wires and solar panels. And there you have it. 3 simple yet incredibly effective DIY solar power projects to kickstart your journey towards sustainable living. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks. Catch you in the next video where we'll tackle more exciting projects. Until then, keep powering up DIY style.